Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss that often comes up in conversations about transgender experiences. We'll be diving into what happens when a transgender person stops taking hormones. So, let's get started. Understanding hormone replacement therapy, HRT. Before we dive into what happens when someone stops taking hormones, let's quickly go over what hormone replacement therapy, HRT, is. HRT is a common medical treatment for transgender individuals, where hormone levels are adjusted to align with their gender identity. The effects of stopping hormones now. Let's talk about what happens when a transgender person stops taking hormones. It's important to note that everyone's experience is unique, and these effects can vary from person to person. Here are a few general areas to consider. Physical changes. Hormones play a significant role in the development and maintenance of physical characteristics. When a transgender individual stops taking hormones, certain changes may occur. For example, if someone assigned male at birth stops taking testosterone, they may experience a decrease in muscle mass, changes in body fat distribution, and potentially a reversion of some masculinizing effects. On the other hand, if someone assigned female at birth stops taking estrogen, they may experience changes like decreased breast fullness and increased body hair growth. Emotional well-being. Hormones can have an impact on emotional well-being and mood. Stopping hormone therapy might cause emotional changes due to hormonal fluctuations. Some individuals may experience mood swings, emotional instability, or changes in libido. It's important to remember that psychological and emotional well-being can be influenced by various factors, and the effects of stopping hormones can vary from person to person. Mental health considerations. Stopping hormone therapy can have implications for mental health. For some individuals, discontinuing hormones may lead to feelings of dysphoria or dissatisfaction with their body. It's crucial to have a support system in place and consider seeking mental health support during this transition. Seeking guidance and support. If you're considering stopping hormone therapy or have already done so, it's essential to seek guidance from a healthcare professional who specializes in transgender healthcare. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific situation and help you navigate any physical or emotional changes that may occur. Additionally, connecting with support groups, online communities, or counseling services can provide a valuable network of individuals who understand your experiences and can offer support during this process. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. And there you have it. We've explored what happens when a transgender person stops taking hormones. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, and the effects can vary from person to person. If you're considering any changes to your hormone therapy, make sure to consult with a knowledgeable healthcare professional to ensure your physical and emotional well-being. If you found this video informative or if you have any questions or experiences to share, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.